Very good morning to one and all. I'm Professor Nidhi from SIRT E Bhopal. Today we are going to start with our new lecture from Remote Sensing and GIS for semester 5th for the topic platforms which are used in this particular remote sensing. Platforms are nothing but the vehicles or the carriers which carry the remote sensing devices. Likewise, in transportation, as we know that the roads, the highways, the railways, the rails carry the devices such as vehicles, trains, and other objects. Likewise, for the remote sensing devices, we have a carrier known as platform. It is also a other name for orbiting spacecraft which may be a satellite or a manned station from which some observations are being taken out. A satellite orbiting the earth is a typical platform where the platforms ranges from balloons, kites, nowadays drones are also used, also low altitude remote sensing gadgets, aircrafts, helicopters, satellites. Likewise, all these are used as aerial and space remote sensing systems. These platforms are basically equipped with remote sensors and may be situated on the ground, on a balloon, on an aircraft, or with some platform like spacecraft, satellite outside the Earth's atmosphere. There are three types of classification. One is the terrestrial platform, which we always say a ground platform, a airborne platform, which is up to some particular with a particular altitude. Some are the platforms which are up to spaceborne. So these three types of classification, where ground is up to land, that is terrestrial, airborne is up to some sort of height with up to 10 to 50 kilometers and above 500 kilometers. They are being termed as spaceborne platform. Here are some types of platforms and their ranges. Short range is 50 to 100 meter, medium range system is 150 to 250 meter, and long range system is up to 1 kilometer. Regarding airborne, they are more than 50 kilometers, and for spaceborne they are more than 500 kilometers. So up to 15 meter height, mobile hydraulic platform. Nowadays we are using some of the platforms like in hydraulic machines. These basically platforms are induced, and we can use, like here in this particular slide you are able to see that a particular vehicle which is induced with a boom, a rod which you can see which is lifted up, and some sort of information or image is being taken through that particular platform. So likewise, these are the ground based platform. Their basis is on ground. Next is a sort of ground based platform itself, which is a portable mast. A portable mast can be used on a tripod stand. You can see one of the conditions where it is used. It is mainly used in unstable winds for capturing the proper frequencies. These are also portable as they can be taken from one place to another very easily within a vehicle. Next is the towers. They are highly rigid than mast. Towers you can see, which is very common nowadays, for your network issues, for getting 3G, 2G datas and different area networks, towers are being mainly used. They comprises of camera, wind sensors, visibility sensors, snow depth sensors, temperature sensors, radiation sensors, and likewise different sort of points are being used nowadays